There's no such thing as a small disaster. So when you call 1-800 Water Damage of North Dakota, we come prepared to restore your life back to normal. From burst pipes to unexpected mold discoveries or fire damage, when things couldn't be worse, we come to you with our best. With empathy, local expertise, and a truck full of seriously powerful equipment. 1-800 Water Damage of North Dakota. Restoring what matters most. 701-670-2022.
Hello and a happy Friday afternoon to you. This is First Alert Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Russ Thomas giving you a weather update as we head into the afternoon, the evening, the weekend, and beyond. And I'll tell you what an interesting day. We started out with those temperatures on the warm side. In fact, very mild for late February low temperatures. Since then, certainly this afternoon, temperatures have dropped dramatically behind a very strong cold front. We're going to go ahead and pop up full screen for our Dakota Magic camera. You can see a mostly cloudy sky out there right now. Again, winds whipping around, in particular as you head down from Grand Forks toward Fargo at this point. We're going to take a look very quickly at our camera. So that was south. That was in our Dakota Magic camera, North Dakota, South Dakota border. Now we're looking at Grand Forks. Yes, this is looking north where Interstate 29 is closed from Grand Forks to the Canada border. So again, if you're heading in that direction, first of all, you know what, if you're out there, very tough travel conditions. Snow squall moving through the region. We did have a snow squall warning, which has expired. However, still have some snow coming down, and we have some very slick roads, snow blowing around it there. Again, I-29, Grand Forks, areas north are closed at this point. Satellite radar, that snow squall that was very intense about an hour ago, thankfully diminishing in strength. Now, we still have some snow coming down. Certainly those areas that have seen that snow are seeing, again, ice on the roadways, very slick out there. And as mentioned, winds are strong. Take a look at some of our gusts right now. 38 miles per hour Hallock, 39 Fargo, 32 Grand Forks. We have a couple 40s on the board as well. Alexandria, Wadena, Bemidji, Oaks, Sisseton, all Thief River, as well as Baudette, all seeing wind gusts of 40 plus miles per hour. This is the expectation, driving in very cold air into our region. Weather alerts, we have a high wind warning. For whatever reason, it's not showing up there right now, unless that warning just in the last 10 minutes has expired by the National Weather Service. So we'll move on from that. Here's what we've got for you as we take a look at our advisories. There we go. Winter weather advisory in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. That's for patchy blowing snow and, of course, those potential visibility reductions. That is in our northern regions, including that area of I-29 that is closed from Grand Forks to the Canada border, where you see the brown. That is a wind advisory until 7 p.m. this evening. Wind gust up to 50 miles per hour. So we take a look at our first alert weather headlines. Here's what we've got for you. Bitterly cold for our Saturday. Chilly on Sunday, but not as cold. We jump into next week. Temperatures recover very quickly. In fact, Monday, back above average once again. So we've seen a real big dip, and then we're going to see that jump in temperature. Yesterday we hit highs in the 30s and 40s across the region. Now we take a look at late week precipitation, chance of snow, rain mix later next week. Again, rush of cold air comes in tonight. Tomorrow, bitterly cold morning wind chills. Quick look at our first alert forecast, and again, a little bit of light snow. In fact, even some moderate snow in our southernmost areas late Friday through early Saturday morning. Meanwhile, you see our temperatures mostly cloudy for Saturday, mostly sunny on our Sunday. Snowfall potential tonight through Saturday. Take a look. You can see Ellendale 1 to 3 inches. You get farther south of that, could see 3 plus. But you also notice most of the region, no snowfall at all. Morning lows, again, single digits above, 2 single digits below zero. Tomorrow afternoon's highs, we've got 1 below Langdon, 1 below Cavalier, 0 in Grafton. Same scenario, northwest Minnesota, a little bit of sunshine, a lot of cloud cover, very cold. Some highs in the teens the farther south you go. Sunday, a little bit of a warm up there, certainly more sunshine, fairly light winds. It's going to feel better on Sunday. Just a quick look at next week. Monday itself, not looking bad, mostly cloudy. Could see a little bit of a mix of showers, mainly southern areas early Tuesday morning, but Tuesday afternoon looking good. Wednesday, not bad. Thursday, late, and Friday, that's where we have that best chance of seeing some snow, a little bit light mix of precipitation into Friday afternoon. Quick look at our temperature trend here, and you can see after a couple cold below average days, we do take that jump for the rest of the forecast period starting on Monday, 7 tomorrow, 20 Sunday, Mid-30s Monday, Tuesday, mid-40s on Wednesday. Then we hang in the 30s and 40s right through next weekend, which, by the way, we turn the clocks ahead next weekend. This update, I should say, has been brought to you by 1-800 Water Damage of North Dakota. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.
There's no such thing as a small disaster. So when you call 1-800 Water Damage of North Dakota, we come prepared to restore your life back to normal. From burst pipes to unexpected mold discoveries or fire damage, when things couldn't be worse, we come to you with our best. With empathy, local expertise, and a truck full of seriously powerful equipment. 1-800 Water Damage of North Dakota. Restoring what matters most. 701-670-8255.